sand, being jiggy. This one we want to talk about the importance of sealing the ground, why it was so important. So look at that.
Oh yeah.
See that right good from the, see that right good. Look at that. Looks like
Not much. Not much really.
You want to watch the game?
I was home and fell asleep.
We're out here, San Mateo, California. We're back at it. Purpose of the video, so I always have a purpose for the videos. As we're stripping this floor, we're doing our thing. You can see the end results, obviously amazing. But the purpose of the video is, see the red on that? Well, I'm noticing all the guys, everybody's wiping it, we're coming with red. And what that tells me is that red's factory dust. So that tells me that these things weren't sealed right from the beginning, which tells me, in there in the kitchen over there where you see Malcolm, when you see all those dark spots where they wore through the sealer and actually started to walk on the tile, that was because the sealer didn't bond very good, they didn't clean it very good from the beginning. So the purpose of the video, especially on your new installations, is make sure you're cleaning your Saltillos really, really thoroughly before you start the sealing process, or the sealer won't bond 100%. It'll be like bonded to that light factory dust, and that's what this red stuff is. You can see it right here, all that red, that's not stained, that's red factory dust. So I'm assuming they brought the, and then as I look at them, I'm assuming they brought them pre-sealed. I doubt that they did it. And then when you do that, you're getting them from Mexico. And when you lay them out in Mexico, I love Mexico. I love the product. I love the tiles, as you all know, but they don't necessarily clean these things the way they need to be cleaned because they're all laid out in dust. If you've ever been down there, see how they do it. So do your homework, people. Subscribe, like us, share, clean your Saltillos before you seal them. Whether you're going with this shiny topical coating, a penetrating sealer, a penetrating enhancer sealer, and it doesn't matter what sealer it is. Make sure you're cleaning your tiles first so that it bonds properly, so that it lasts longer, it doesn't start to peel up in the higher traffic areas that are getting touched and walked on more often. Stay informed, like us, subscribe, share. Don't be a victim.